For the first step of drawing Daddy Shark, we're going to begin by making one circle directly above the center of the page. Awesome! Next up, we're going to begin to make a total of 3 fins. Just as we did in the Baby Shark video, there will be one on the left, top, and right hand side. Great job learning how to draw Hub Crew. Now we're going to move below the head and fins that we just made. We're going to begin to make the body of Daddy Shark along with his tail. Whoa, this is coming along very well. Next up, we're going to begin to add some lines in the chest. This will help separate the colors for Daddy Shark. Now if you need a moment to catch up, go ahead and pause the video right here. Now we will make one line going from left to right. This will help separate the eyes from the mouth of our Daddy Shark. Above the line that we just made, we're going to make 2 big circles for the eyes and 2 small circles for the nostrils. Now below the line, we're going to make the mouth along with teeth. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. Let's go ahead and swap out our Sharpie for a fine tip marker. If you don't have one, that's okay too. Now let's go ahead and make the pupils of Daddy Shark. This is how to draw Daddy Shark. Thank you for watching on how to draw Hub. If you like this video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, then go hit that button right now. Awesome. Let's go ahead and color our drawing together.